welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nzinga Saran. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If it's not your first time and you've been rocking with me, thank you for rocking with me. Okay. I just want to give a huge thank you to Tress for sending over me this kit and also for sponsoring today's video. So whether you're looking for a new waxing kit or you're just here because you want to know how to DIY waxing at home, just continue watching this video. This kit you can find it on Amazon and it has prime delivery. So if you want to know my take on this kit and how I wax myself at home, just continue watching. So this is the kit, guys. This is what the outside of the box looks like, and then when you open it, these are everything that inside. So these are everything that is inside, and I'm gonna take them out and show you guys individually. Inside the kit you will find this digital wax warmer. It came with like these little strips to put around the wax warmer because melted wax can definitely be a little messy after and pre-wax sprays, and these are the little spray caps to put inside of these bottles. It came with large and small popsicle sticks. It came with a booklet. If you're a beginner, it definitely came with a beginner guide. And it also came with 5 bags of wax beads, which are my favorite. These are my favorite thing in the package, guys, because these wax beads, they are scented. This one is tea tree, lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, and we also have lemon. So this is my favorite thing in the packet. I am really excited to try them. I'll let you guys know how they smell, and I'll also let you guys know like how I like the consistency. Also, another favorite of mine is the fact that this wax warmer is digital. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put it on 240. So it goes all the way up to 257, and I'm gonna put it on 240. And I'm also just gonna put the little paper thingy on top of it. And of course, I chose to use eucalyptus beads today because if you know me, I am definitely a eucalyptus girl. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna go in with this pre-wax spray, and I'm just gonna spray it on this piece of cotton and then just wipe underneath my arm. Now this is the step where you have to be extremely careful because you don't want the wax to be too hot, because you don't want to burn yourself. You want it warm enough to where it is bearable. So here goes my first strip, and I'm just gonna apply a little pressure, and this also serves as me testing it to see if it's cooled down enough to where I can rip it. And I'm gonna rip from top to bottom. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you can see all the hair that it removed. So that was definitely a pretty good first strip. So now I'm gonna apply another strip, and I'm just gonna rip in the opposite direction. So the last time we ripped down, I'm just gonna rip up this time. One thing for sure that I can say about this waxing strip, it dries extremely fast. With my other waxing kit, I would not be able to like touch it this soon. So this is what the first arm is looking like. And don't worry about like these little pieces right here. I'm gonna go in with the after wax care and remove them. So now I'm just gonna move on to this arm, and I'm gonna speed up this part so you guys can just watch. So now it's time for my after wax spray, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna spray it on this cotton, and then I'm gonna wipe my arm off. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. We are completely bald. So yeah, I enjoy this waxing kit. I prefer this over my other waxing kit because with the beads, once it's melted and you try to like cool it, it's not like too stringy. My other waxing kit, the beads, once it like get too cool, it starts to get like stringy and it's like messy. But with this, it's not really messy. And I also forget to mention to you guys that the after wax spray as well as the pre-wax, they have a slight coconut scent to it, which I really like. It's not overbearing, as well as the eucalyptus in the wax beads. It's not too much. So even if you have sensitive skin, I think this will work perfectly for you. So huge thank you again to Tress Wellness for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys, later.